So hey, what's up guys, what's going on? And recently you guys are also aware, right, that the sale is going to get live on Amazon as well as Flipkart. So obviously the frauds are also going to be high. Hence I thought of coming up with this video which will give you a view of how the scams are taking place. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how the scammers change the price and show you exactly the price which they want you to see and give you the temptation of getting in the fraud. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Okay, so once you go to your web browser, just open Amazon and take any product. For example, we'll take this watch. We'll click over here, open in the new tab, and yeah, see the price. It's 1499, and we are going to change this. Let's go to inspect and select this arrow and click on this price and see. You can see the price over here. Just double click this price, and we'll change this to 499. Okay, so 499, and yep, it's done. So see, no editing skill required, like no Photoshop, no Premiere Pro, and you can change this price very easily. And you can change many more things like this, and you can change the name as well if you go on the top and select the name. But if you see the price over here, it's showing 499, but here it's showing different price. So we'll inspect this also, and we'll give a test over here. We'll change this price into dollars. Okay, so we'll put $499. What do you guys say? So let's put 499, and yep, it's done. So this is the easiest way you can change the price over here. So some guys will think we can buy at this price. So no, it's absolutely wrong. You cannot buy for this price. This is only visible for you, and if you refresh this website, the price will be changing to the normal price. And after refresh, see, here it is. So the price has been changed. We'll go to Flipkart also and show you one another example, and we'll take this printer now. Let's take the first one, and again we have to go for inspect, click the arrow, select the price. Yeah, here it is, and we'll change this to $1. Most of the scammers will do this, put it as a $1. And again you can change many more things over here, like description or many more things. So we'll change the name as well. We'll make it another printer, and here we go. So you have to open this over here. Wait, I'll just select this name once again. And yeah, here it is. Just click on the dot dot and you can change the name. We'll change it to Apple. What do you guys say? And here it is. So once you hit enter, it's done very easily. And this is the way people used to scam people and ask them to join their Telegram channel so that they can scam more, in short. And many of the people are joining in search of getting good deals, but 90% of the tricks, or you can say this process, is done by scammers, and they will ask you to transfer the money to their account and they'll order for you, like that they'll say. But obviously at the end you won't get anything and you will only be scammed. So this was a video through which I'm trying to warn you guys to be aware of this frauds, and just simply go directly buy from Amazon site by yourself or Flipkart site by yourself, and be aware of this scams. So if you guys feel this video really helpful, do hit the like button, and yeah, I'm always open for the comments. So please let me know in the comment section any suggestion. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.